Well, the 2019 South Carolina Truck Driving Championships starts out on Friday afternoon. We get them started on their 50-question knowledge test, and then they go through an educational session of our choosing. This year it was on SCTA's new image and workforce development campaign, Truck Proud. Today we have our pre-trip, which it's a simulation of what they do prior to getting on the road every day. We've planted defects. We ask them to call them out and they get scored on those. Behind me is our 6th problem road course, and it's where they get to show their mad driving skills. We actually have some students here from Cope Area Career Center today, 3 high school seniors, who will be not only learning as they rotate through our road course and pre-trip, but they'll also be behind the wheel at the end of the competition in one of the step bands.
To get your driver here is putting them on a different plateau. You're the best of the best. You went all year, 365 days with no accidents. Every time I leave here, I learn something. I've been here for 11 straight years. But every time I leave here, I learn something new, and I just better my career every time.
Our new overall champion of the 2019 Truck Driving Championship is Ralph Hamilton.